Hello everyone, I'm Shyam. Welcome to my channel, thetruthofIndia.com. Website is thetruthofIndia.com, timesofnewbharat.com, mobile reviewscore.co.in. For more details, you can log into our website. Great news for mid-range buyers. Chinese smartphone giant OnePlus going to launch its next generation mid-range smartphone with bigger display, powerful battery, camera and processor. Is going to launch in the Indian market this June, price between 25,000 to 30,000. And the name is OnePlus Nord CE5. OnePlus also going to launch its next generation smartphone OnePlus Nord 5 and OnePlus Nord CE Lite 5 to June. Let's check out the specification of this cool gadget OnePlus Nord CE5. This gadget comes with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, runs on latest Android 14 to enhance your gaming experience through smartphone. Upcoming OnePlus Nord CE5 is powered by next generation MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset. It's going to shift from Snapdragon 7 Generation 3 chip phone on its preceded Snap OnePlus Nord CE4. This is not enough. Upcoming Nord CE5 is powered by massive 7100 mAh battery which support 80-watt fast charging. Let's check out the camera power. You can experience DSLR like photography experience in smartphone through OnePlus Nord CE5. It's powered by dual rear camera setup with 50 megapixel primary sensor, Sony's LYT 608 megapixel ultra wide lens, Sony IMX355 and 16 megapixel selfie camera, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, in display fingerprint scanner, IR blaster, hybrid SIM and